Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. If your computer shows preparing automatic repair or black screen or Windows simply won't start, don't worry. You can still recover your important data without properly starting the computer. In this video, I will show you a simple and easy method to access and recover your important file even when Windows is not booting. So, if your computer is stuck on preparing automatic repair or showing a black screen, watch this video till the end. I will show you how to recover your data quickly and easily. So stay tuned. In this situation, we will go advanced settings, troubleshooting, advanced, system image recovery, username, password, and you will enter the computer. If not possible on this way, you will need two pen drive. One is bootable pen drive, another is recovery storage pen drive. We insert the bootable pen drive and press boot menu key, and after coming, we will select pen drive, enter, next, repair your computer, troubleshooting, system image recovery, Windows, cancel, next, advanced, install driver, okay. We enter the computer. Here we can easily copy files from wherever your file is. Suppose your file is on the desktop or we want to copy the entire desktop, then we will copy it like this. We will go C drive, username. Here you see desktop, download, picture, video, everything. Here you see the desktop file. If you need all the file from desktop, you will just select desktop and right click, copy it and paste your recovery destination. Looks like this. You will take your file, just copy and paste your destination, and finally you will remove the recovery device. After pasting, your mouse cursor will be loading. After loading, your cursor will be normal mode and you will refresh, then you will see your data. So if you need another drive, you will do that. Paste it and it's loading. It will be normal. Refresh, you see the document. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.